This is the website that I designed and coded for this class. It's called Barnes Blog, and the purpose behind it is a blog about really anything. It's a blog about marriage and home and family, and it's designed to have any of our viewers or followers contact us and give us questions that they would like some answers to, and we will answer them in separate blog posts. So that's kind of the purpose of the website. And so I just kind of want to walk you through all the pages that I designed for it. So this is the home page. As you can see, here's my logo, my title, my navigation bar. This is a picture of us. I wanted to make it a little personable so our viewers can see who we are and that we're real people with real lives who can hopefully help. And then here's our little introduction, just kind of the welcome to the blog. And it kind of opens up the opportunity for our viewers to, or our readers, I guess, to send us in any questions that they may have. And then the next page is the About page. Here's another picture of us. And then here's kind of introducing us and our names and where we got married, how old we are, and kind of just letting our readers know that we're average people just trying to help in this crazy life. And then here is the contact page. This is where anyone can submit their name and kind of a little email to us asking any questions or even providing feedback about this website. And then the next page is the fact page. Obviously this would grow over time as there would be more questions, more frequently asked questions. This is how it is so far. And then finally it's the blog. And eventually I'd want to get to a point where like these would link to a separate blog, or I would just have categories of blog posts that people can click on, but for right now it's just images. So yeah, that's kind of the basics, I guess, of my website. The main purpose, I guess, behind the website. I wanted to make it simple and user-friendly, kind of straightforward, and I wanted all of the images and the content to be applicable. The things that I learned the most, honestly, the coding was a major part of it. In my previous classes, I wasn't taught coding as well as I was in this class. So that was a great learning experience for me. And what I found was honestly kind of difficult was linking my pages through the FTP. I used FileZilla, and uploading them onto Bluehost and having them still look the same. I finally figured it out. I had problems with saving my code into different folders and whatnot, and so everything was kind of twisted together, but I finally got it worked out. And obviously everything is here now, which is such a relief, but that was kind of stressful for a bit. But once I learned how to do it, I now know how to fix it, and I can go from there when designing pages in the future. So yeah, there's my site.